Okay. Now, among the candidates right now, you've taken pot shots at all of them. Who do you think is most dangerous for the country?
Duterte.
Why is that?
Right now, his most trusted man, Pastor Kibuloy of Davao City, has already announced that if the elections don't turn out Duterte, he is going to personally lead a revolution. What kind of talk is that? That is almost seditious. And this is from a man of the cloth. So, masyadong malalim itong Duterte na ito. Hindi kamukha noon na akala natin straight shooting lang siya na mayor at hindi siya nagkakapera. What about the plunder charge filed against him by Trillanes? We don't have any acceptable reason for all those accusations against him.
Now, you've called him as, in a way, close to the NPA, Senator Grace Poe, close to the CIA. I'm curious, if his closeness with the NPA brings us into peace talks or to resolve the issue with the NPA, wouldn't that be good for the country?
Only for the CIA or including the
NPA first, for the country. Because peace talks have bogged down with the NPA. If that works with Duterte's ties to the NPA, will that help?
I don't think so. You cannot tie communism, which is an ideology, down to words on paper. Nobody's going to pay any attention to those words. They will act on the basis of their own ideology, which is that government is bad, and always government should, as much as possible, be given directly to the citizenry. Ibang pananaw nila sa ating demokrasya.